Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many dream of making quick money in the stock market, but it's important to set realistic expectations right from the start. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint, because consistent, disciplined investment truly leads to significant growth. With patience and consistent effort, you can absolutely grow your finances. Diving into the stock market without understanding the basics is like sailing without a map. Take the time to learn about different investment vehicles, like individual stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. Grasp how market forces, company news, and economic trends can affect asset prices. Many free online courses and books can guide you, making your learning journey both accessible and effective. Before you invest a single dollar, it's crucial to define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a new house, or simply looking to grow your wealth over decades? Equally important is understanding your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the idea of your investment value fluctuating, perhaps even decreasing temporarily? Your answers to these personal questions will shape your entire investment approach, guiding your choices from the very beginning. Once you're ready, choose a reliable online brokerage account. Look for one with low fees and a user-friendly platform. It's wise to start small, perhaps with an amount you wouldn't miss. Many beginners find success by investing in diversified options like exchange-traded funds or index funds. These offer broad market exposure without extensive individual stock research, which helps reduce risk as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, true wealth from the stock market is often built over years, even decades. Resist the urge to constantly check daily fluctuations. Instead, focus on your long-term vision. It's also smart to periodically review your portfolio, ensuring it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance as life evolves. Continuously learning about the market, exploring new investment options, and staying informed will truly empower you on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.